Have you ever looked up at the sky and just seen birds or planes? Well, get ready, because that view is about to get a serious upgrade. We're on the brink of a revolution, not on the ground, but in the air above our heads. And it's all thanks to these amazing machines, drones. You've probably heard about them, maybe even seen one buzzing around. But we're moving way beyond simple hobbyist toys. Imagine this. You order something online, and instead of waiting days for a delivery truck, you hear a faint hum. Within minutes, a drone gently lowers your package right onto your doorstep. This isn't science fiction anymore. Companies are already testing and rolling out drone delivery services, making shipping faster, more efficient, and even greener by reducing road traffic. It's the ultimate convenience, delivered from the sky. But the revolution doesn't stop at your front door. Let's head out to the countryside. Here, drones are transforming one of humanity's oldest professions, farming. Large, specialized agricultural drones are now flying over vast fields. Equipped with advanced sensors, they can monitor crop health with incredible precision, spotting problems like pests or dehydration long before a human eye could. They can spray water, fertilizer, or pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, targeting only the areas that need it. This means farmers use fewer chemicals, save water, and get bigger, healthier harvests. These drones are like high-tech farmhands, working tirelessly to help feed our growing world more sustainably. Now, let's think bigger. Much bigger. What if a drone could carry not just a package, but you? Welcome to the world of passenger drones, or, as some call them, air taxis. These are essentially giant, human-sized drones designed to whisk you across a city, bypassing traffic jams completely. Imagine hopping into a sleek, electric pod, taking off vertically, and flying directly to your destination. Companies around the globe are deep into developing and testing these incredible vehicles. They're quiet, they're electric, and they promise to completely reshape urban transportation, making our commutes faster, cleaner, and a whole lot more scenic. The dream of the flying car is finally becoming a reality, just not in the way we might have imagined it. So, with all these different drones filling the air, delivery drones, farm drones, and even air taxis, how do we keep everything organized? How do we prevent a sky-high traffic jam? The answer lies in creating a brand new kind of air traffic control system, specifically for drones. Think of it as a digital highway in the sky. This system, often called unmanned traffic management, will use sophisticated software and AI to coordinate every drone's flight path in real time. It will automatically manage takeoffs, landings, and routes, ensuring that a medical drone on an urgent mission has priority, while a pizza delivery drone safely waits its turn. These digital skyways will be invisible, but they'll be the critical infrastructure that allows thousands of drones to operate simultaneously and safely above our cities and towns. From a simple package arriving at your door to a flying taxi taking you to work, the age of drones is here. It's a future where our skies are no longer just empty space, but a dynamic, buzzing network of activity. It's a future that's cleaner, faster, and more connected than ever before. So next time you look up, take a good look. Because the sky you see today is about to change forever. Thanks for watching, and if you're excited about the future of technology, make sure to follow for more.